In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Samsung Gallery layout. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Inside of the Samsung Gallery app, you are able to change the layout. So, depending on how many pictures you want to see when you choose an album or a specific category, you can change how it appears visually so you see more or less. In order to change the layout, go into the Gallery, open up any album that you have or any category, for example, camera, screenshots, downloads, and so on. And the main thing that bothers people is going to be this sidebar here. So if you see this sidebar, all that you have to do is swipe it to the side. So if you swipe from the right to the left, the sidebar will be hidden like this on the screenshot on the right. So it is going to go away. And of course, if you want to bring it back, then you just swipe from the left to the right. And by doing this, it is going to show the sidebar. So if you hide the sidebar, you will have 3 photos per row like this. So you will be able to see more of the pictures in a specific album. And the actual preview will be larger. So as you can see here compared to the other one. Now, something else that you can do is do a pinch zoom. So if you position your fingers diagonally and you pull them away from each other like this roughly, you will be able to zoom into so you see more pictures or less pictures. So you can try pinching your fingers and zooming in or zooming out depending on how many pictures you want to see or how close you want the pictures to be zoomed into. So swipe to the left and to the right to control the sidebar, and you can do pinch zoom to increase or decrease the size of each thumbnail or each preview on a specific album. With all of that said, I hope I was able to help you. Something that I want to note before I end this video is that, as you can see according to the channel metrics, 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to the channel, you can help us bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.